Working in Canvas's rich content editor, the accessibility checker is on and active and will notify you of any potential accessibility issues with this icon at the bottom of the page. We can see I have 5 issues. If you happen to not be paying attention to that, when you attempt to save a page with accessibility issues, Canvas will stop you and put those errors front and center and give you the chance to remediate those. So here I have a color contrast issue. I can try to make that a higher contrast. Same with this text, need to make it darker, and so on. If you are familiar with the DesignPLUS Side Bar, that's another place you can go for accessibility help. It has tables, and it will check your links, headings, all of those areas. Also in Canvas, we have UDOIT Advantage. UDOIT Advantage will scan your entire Canvas course and identify issues of high, medium, and low impact. It's a good place to start with your accessibility remediations. It'll give you a list of things that need your attention. Don't focus so much on the score, as that does change, and it can change without any intervention on your part. So focus more on, have you looked at the things that it identified and address them as necessary. And finally, in Canvas, you may have noticed the blue S's that pop up next to your materials. This is for SensusAccess. SensusAccess is a remediation support tool. It gives you or your students can use this in their Canvas courses, the ability to convert materials to different formats, and it depends on the starting format what you will get as options. You can do an accessibility conversion where I can get a rich text document, HTML, or a tagged PDF. I can turn this into a reader document. I can get it translated, which is very helpful. With different formats, you may get the option to have it produced as digital braille. So SensusAccess is a good tool to go to if you're really struggling with how to remediate a document, how to make it more accessible. Run it through SensusAccess. You can choose to have that emailed to you or downloaded. It can take a while depending on the length of the source document and the complexity. I've seen it take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours. So those are just a few of the tools that are available to help you make your courses more accessible.